Good morning, my name is Sonia and we are CiMa-Pak. Today I'm going to show you our newest and smallest skin packaging machine, the Unica Skin. This is used mainly for packaging meals to help them last a long time, a really long time, especially if they're frozen. To do that, first you're going to program. So you program your temperature here, and once that's programmed, you're going to program your settings. So in here you're always going to use a 99% vacuum. This one is set up for 8 seconds, which is the preheating of the film, and 1 second to do the sealing. Once we have all our parameters set, we simply have to place our meals. Here we have meatballs and rice, and we're going to push the drawer in. Once you push the drawer in, it draws the film into place, and we will wait the time. It'll do its cycle. I didn't press start. It started all on its own. It's preheating the film. Then it will vacuum the film down onto the meal, always at 99%. And be sure that the food is chilled, maybe chilled in a blast chiller for 15 minutes, beforehand. 1 minute seal, the cycle ends, and we can pull out the drawer. And we now have a meal. Completely skin packed, shows very nicely, and will last a very long time in terms of shelf life, which is what mainly what you're looking for with skin packaging. The trays, the film, and the Unica Skin machine is available at CiMa-Pak. All you have to do is call 1-877-631-2462. Thanks, see you soon.